Hi, I'm Dr. Carlos Valdez. Welcome to a new episode of our video audio blog at mercadotecniayventas.com, marketing and sales, the educational platform where over 90% of our content is completely free and focused on helping you grow with purpose and strategy in marketing, sales, and AI for business. Today, May 24 of 2025, we are diving into a timely and often misunderstood topic. How can you use artificial intelligence to create content that sounds real, human, and authentic without sounding like a robot? If you ever use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion AI, or Copilot, and thought it worked fast, but it doesn't sound like me, this episode is exactly what you need. So let's begin. This is what we're going to cover today. We're going to explore how you can create content with the help of AI while keeping your unique tone, values, and messaging intact. You're going to learn why the issue is not the tool, it's how we use it, how to avoid generic robotic sounding results, real-world example of smart prompting, tips to blend tech efficiency with personal authenticity. Because yes, you can use AI without losing your voice. So let's begin. Why does so much AI generated content feel bland? Because most people stay on the surface. They type something vague like write a blog about sales and hit send. What they get back is usually functional, but flat, generic, emotionless. AI is powerful, but not magical. It can only be as strong as the direction that you give it. That is why your intent, context, and creativity matter. The problem is not the algorithm. The problem is asking too little of it and giving it too little of yourself. What does it mean to humanize AI-generated content? It means the reader, viewer, or listener should feel like there's a real person behind the message. Human content is not just grammatically correct, it's emotionally aware, it's opinionated, warm, relatable, and even vulnerable. It's full of your voice, values, and vision. To humanize AI content, you must see the AI as a creative assistant, not a substitute. It gives you structure, speed, and ideas, but you shape the story. Real world examples, prompts that sounds like you. Let's look at 3 practical ways to guide AI while you keeping your voice. Number 1, be specific and personal in your prompt. Instead of write a blog intro about marketing, try something like this. Write a friendly, encouraging blog introduction for small business owners who are afraid of marketing. The goal is to motivate them and remove fear. Number 2, add your values or experience. You can write a persuasive paragraph into the voice of a marketing professor with 30 years of experience who wants to inspire action without pressure. And number 3, request structure and style. Ask for analogies, a storytelling tone, or examples. Then edit it yourself. Add your perspective, adjust the rhythm, insert your own phrases. That's how you go from an AI copy to your content powered by AI. How to combine AI with your personal voice. Here's one of my favorite techniques. Use AI for the first draft, then go back and make it yours. Ask yourself, does this sound like me? Does it reflect what I believe in? Will I say this in a real conversation? You can also dictate your thoughts and let AI organize them, or feed it your own past content and ask it to match your tone and structure. Another key messaging is emotional tone and pacing. Not every message should sound the same. Some need warmth, others need authority, or even humor. AI can adjust it to that, but only if you guide it well. Ethics, brand voice, and transparency. Let's be clear. Using AI does not mean hiding it. In fact, being transparent can strengthen your credibility. But what you must never delegate is the responsibility of the message. That's yours. Audience don't want perfection. They want truth, clarity, and intention. And that comes from you, not the machine. In conclusion, AI will not replace your voice, but it can help you express it faster, clear, and with a greater impact if you learn how to guide it with intention. Your real edge is not in the tool, it's in your thinking, your purpose, and your ability to communicate value with empathy and strategy. So, next time you open ChatGPT, don't ask them to talk for you. Ask them to help you listen, organize, and elevate your message. Because in the end, the most powerful content is not the perfect content, it's the real content. Thank you for joining me. Find more free and practical tools like this at mercadotecniayventas.com on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and across our social platforms. And always remember, in marketing and sales, we always need to generate value. Thank you, and until next time.